got the Boston where we can see New York and Philadelphia. Philadelphia Eagles and Giants. And Eli, he's not have been doing so well. So he's been taking interceptions and they are in second place. How did the Eagles get in first place? How did they? So, now, the Eagles have lots of wins. So, Eagles should be so happy that Michael Vick has been out of there. So, Michael Vick is on the Philadelphia Eagles, and you can go right next door to see the Yankees and Phillies. Okay, we're doing our next report. Number 2. The Boston Celtics have been doing well. They not lost one game yet. They're in first place, so if they can win some good games, they should win the whole entire thing. They should do the whole entire thing. But this is Scam Hunting Saturday.